Okay, this problem is an example similar to problem number 3 in the Chapter 11 Solids Management Math. Question is asking for a filter loading rate in pounds per hour per square foot. So we are given square feet, the surface area of the vacuum filter, and we should know by now that pounds per hour per square foot means that we are going to have to calculate pounds per hour, and then per means that we're going to divide it by the surface area of this vacuum filter in square feet, which we've already been given. So given the information in the question, how do we calculate pounds per hour? So first things first, they're giving us a rate of 90 gallons per minute. So I'm going to calculate gallons per hour based on that. So 60 minutes in an hour times 90 gallons. 60 times 90 gives me 5,400 gallons per hour. Now I need to convert gallons to pounds. I've mentioned it in other questions in this chapter. I'll mention it again. For the purposes of this specific problem, we are assuming that a gallon of sludge weighs 8.34 pounds. If you see a question like this on an exam, you are almost certainly going to have to account for the specific gravity of the sludge, because it is going to be higher than 1. So the sludge is going to weigh slightly more than 8.34 pounds per gallon. But again, with this question, we are going to use that 8.34 pounds per gallon figure. So we're going to take our gallons per hour, 5,400 gallons, we're going to multiply that by 8.34 pounds per gallon. That's going to give us the pounds of sludge. But this question, even though it doesn't specifically say pounds of solids per hour, we are trying to calculate the pounds of solids applied to the filter. Again, another one of these questions in the homework that maybe isn't worded quite as well as it could have been. So we're told that the sludge has a solids concentration of 5%. So 5,400 gallons times 8.34 pounds per gallon times 5% is going to give us how many pounds of solids are loaded on this filter in an hour. So let's go ahead and multiply that out. 5,400 times 8.34 times 5% gives us 2,252 pounds per hour. And now to finish the problem, we're going to divide 2,252 pounds per hour by 300 square feet, the surface area of the vacuum filter, which we were given. So let's go ahead and do one more division problem. And we get an answer of 7.51 pounds per hour per square foot.